Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're learning how to talk about the World Cup in Cantonese. World Cup 世界盃世界盃 I like watching the World Cup. 我鍾意睇世界盃我鍾意睇世界盃 Football or soccer 足球足球 I like playing football or soccer. 我鍾意踢足球我鍾意踢足球 Watch the football or soccer game. 睇波睇波 We're watching the game tonight. 我哋今晚睇波我哋今晚睇波 Team 對對 Which team? 邊隊邊隊 Support 支持支持 Which team do you support? 你支持邊隊啊？你支持邊隊啊？ Which team do you support? Let me know in a comment below. I support Canada. 我支持加拿大。我支持加拿大。To win. 贏贏 won 贏咗贏咗 To lose. 輸輸 lost 輸咗輸咗 Goal or score goal 入波啦入波啦 What's the score now? 而家幾比幾啊？而家幾比幾啊？ When talking about the score, 1-0 1比0 2-1 2比1 3-2 3比2 Let's practice how to talk about the World Cup in a dialogue. Have you been watching the World Cup? 你有冇睇世界盃啊？ I have been watching the World Cup. 我有睇世界盃啊。Which team do you support? 你支持邊隊啊？ I support Canada. 我支持加拿大。Which team won in this game? 呢場波邊隊贏咗啊？ Canada won. 加拿大贏咗。What's the score now? 而家幾比幾啊？ 1-0 1比0 Let's practice a dialogue together. Repeat after me. 你有冇睇世界盃啊？我有睇世界盃啊。你支持邊隊啊？我支持加拿大。呢場波邊隊贏咗啊？加拿大贏咗。而家幾比幾啊？1比0 Well done today. Now you know how to talk about the World Cup with your friends. Keep practicing and subscribe for more lessons. I'll see you next time. 下次見。